Hello YouTube, Jeremy Martin 72 here, and I'm just loving this Galaxy Tab A I got recently. I especially like the Samsung Notes, excuse me, and I got it the quick widget on my home screen. I'm just loving this thing. It's really simple, easy to use. You can do text. Type what you want, type however you want, because you got rich text in the bottom. Of course, you can turn it on and off if you don't want to tweak. You can do all kinds of stuff. You can do bullet points, numbers. I'm enjoying the heck out of it. You can use pen. Alright. And then brush. Oh man, it's awesome, man. Put an image on it. Let's see what we'll do. There you go. Pop that in there. Oh, where'd it go? Right there. Yeah, that's pretty cool. It's pretty fast too, and you can do can't start a new recording because I'm already recording with another app. You can even put your audio recording into it. It's most excellent. I'm really enjoying it, and I love the simplicity to it, and oh yeah, save that thing. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, very nice. I want y'all to have fun, my brothers and sisters. Try new things. You know, I'm really loving this Samsung whole. I'm gonna go through everything Samsung in here and just give it an honest try. I mean, I still gonna love Google and everything, but I'm really getting into the Samsung stuff. And hey, y'all be safe and Google on.